Hello, my name is Curtis Reynolds. I serve as the Vice Provost of Facilities Management at Miami-Dade College. The Science Complex at North Campus is a state-of-the-art facility. The designer of the complex is MC Harry and Associates. The design approach to this facility was intended to be trend-setting. The construction manager for this multi-million-dollar facility was Staub's Construction. Some of the guiding principles of design to the Science Complex include ease of configuration, flexibility, a shared academic concept for creative interdisciplinary education, standardization, an open learning environment, and most important of all, that it be sustainable and energy efficient. The facility is located on the west side of the North Campus, creating a panoramic view at the campus lakefront. Highlights of the facility are the rooftop observatory, the clock tower, and its immediate connection to the recently inaugurated Pomedium, gardens and supporting greenhouses. As with any new construction, there were many challenges to overcome. But with the dynamic team associated with this project, we learned that through efforts of teamwork at every level, from the architect to the construction manager, to the end user at the campus, all working in cooperation with the facilities project manager and staff, we were capable of creating a facility that will be the focal point for the campus, the college, and the community for many years to come.
Hello, my name is Julio Webel, Vice President of MC Harry Associates Architects, and I directed the design team for the Science Complex at Miami-Dade College North Campus. The Science Complex at Miami-Dade College North Campus is one of a select few new generation college campus laboratory buildings offering state-of-the-art academic and research facilities to the South Florida science community. The building initiates the college's vision and commitment to pursue an environmentally sensitive design which honors the philosophical ideals of the environmental and life science programs it promotes. The building's architecture expresses the college's intellectual excitement for a bold, new academic orientation toward biotech career development on the North Campus. The 90,000 square foot, three-story facility houses 21 individual laboratories supporting study and research programs in the natural sciences. The building's location on campus, a reclaimed brownfield, completes the original 1960s vintage Central Campus quadrangle, which was organized around a large 2-acre lake complete with a 75-foot water jet feature. A large campus community plaza links the Science Complex with the lake and promotes student and faculty interaction and opportunities for serendipitous learning and the sharing of ideas. The plaza functions as a large-scale performance venue for the college and the community at large. In addition, the Botanical Garden, which includes 3 greenhouses, the palmettum, and the surrounding landscape full of exotic planting materials, which allows students to be immersed in a true scientific setting. Through extensive program analysis, the MC Harry Associates design team devised a configuration which would allow for a clear distinction between the administration and the laboratory wings. This divided arrangement not only addresses the college's security concern, but it also responds to complex laboratory requirements, especially that of separate ventilation systems. The division maximizes research and prep lab security without sacrificing freedom of movement by the students to and from the teaching classrooms and laboratories. Miami's hot, humid, subtropical climate necessitated the creation of buffer zones between the temperature-controlled, humidity-sensitive laboratory environments. This was accomplished by utilizing open student verandas on the second level and enclosed student corridors located on the third level, encircling the teaching lab and classroom zone. A secure staff corridor interior to the zone bisects the upper floors while allowing direct access to each teaching laboratory from the restricted research prep and equipment and chemical storage areas. The laboratory zone is organized around 4 centralized mechanical shafts, which enclose all of the fresh air intake and exhaust ductwork, and can be characterized as the lungs of the building.
Hello, my name is Dr. Heather Belmont, Chairperson of the Biology, Health, Wellness, and Funeral Sciences at Miami-Dade College North Campus. At the North Campus of Miami-Dade College, we offer all of the traditional freshman and sophomore year biology and chemistry courses, and we serve Associate of Arts degree students seeking to major in the natural sciences, including biology, chemistry, and physics. However, with a strong commitment from the college and an infusion of over $9 million in external funding, we are now experiencing a metamorphosis in regards to science education and delivery here at the college. At the heart of our metamorphosis is construction of the new science complex. Of particular interest are the labs that support our newest science-related Associate in Arts and Associate in Science degree programs in biotechnology, chemical technology, and bioinformatics, which emphasize workforce preparation and include industry internships. Biotechnology is the use of living organisms to make products or to improve on processes. Biotech has been around for the ages and dates back to as early as 8000 BC, when we can first document the use of yeast to ferment beverages and leaven breads. However, biotech emerged as its own discipline following the discovery of DNA and the production of its first commercial product, human insulin for the treatment of diabetes. Since then, some 300 new products have come to market, some of which you're probably very familiar with. These include Ambien and the first anti-cancer vaccine, Gardasil. Miami-Dade College North Campus students are able to get hands-on learning experiences in state-of-the-art laboratories. The instrumentation in our labs mirrors that found at top research institutes across the country, and our students will be able to proudly say that they've experienced the latest in research-based technology. Instrumentation includes, but is certainly not limited to, a 4-column applied biosystems DNA sequencer, a real-time and high-throughput PCR machine, electrophoresis boxes and photography equipment, spectrophotometers, a nanodrop system, water-jacketed shaking, as well as standard incubators. We have ELISA plate readers and washers, biosafety and chemical fume hoods, HPLC, as well as inverted, fluorescent, and stereo microscopes. In addition to our commitment to science education, we believe that providing research experiences to our students will propel them into the 21st century workforce. Currently, our students are taking advantage of the first dedicated student research lab in the college's history. Here, our students are working diligently to sequence the mitochondrial genome of the fava bean, or to understand the growth characteristics of a bacterium that is strongly linked to the development of stomach cancer. We also have students that are taking advantage of the expansive living laboratories that surround the physical space of the new science complex. These laboratories include a palmedum, which is home to a wide variety of palm species representing every palm growing region in the world, a greenhouse, a shade house, as well as botanical garden. Students are working very closely with their mentor, Dr. Stephen Ritter, to develop strategies that optimize palm growth in South Florida's subtropical environment. In a nutshell, the North Campus's new science complex underscores our mission to provide high-quality and affordable education to all students who are interested and motivated to pursue careers in the sciences.
Hello, I'm Michael Bullis, the Chair of Chemistry, Physics, and the Earth Science at Miami-Dade College North Campus. In addition to the life sciences, MDC North Campus has continued its transformation in the physical sciences. The new science complex boasts a rooftop observatory which house 2 Meade 20-inch fully automated telescopes. With their built-in GPS system, students will be able to track astronomical events and broadcast the images into any classroom within the complex. Along with the integrated weather and lightning monitoring systems, the North Campus facility will provide an extensive educational program for our students and for the community as well. Imagine our local high school students being able to watch the next solar or lunar eclipse or meteor shower as they're happening. Moving beyond the solar system into the classroom, the Science Complex Chemistry Laboratories boast state-of-the-art instrumentation which allow our students to get hands-on, real-world experience with the same equipment that is found in top pharmaceutical and research institutes across the country. Our students are trained to do atomic absorption spectroscopy, run high-performance liquid chromatography, analyze heavy metals with GC Mass Spec and NMR technology, as well as examine the structure of organic compounds with UV-Vis and FTIR. Beyond our research capabilities, we also offer extensive academic support for our students through tutorial service, peer mentoring, and peer-led teaching learning, PLTL. Students may take advantage of the open tutorial labs in all areas of math and sciences or belong to a student cohort working in conjunction with a faculty member preparing for their next class. The open labs are spacious and provide our students with computer access, multimedia workstations, and smartboard technology to advance their understanding of both the physical and biological sciences. We have found that by offering a combination of tutorial services, the needs of all student learners can be addressed. Miami-Dade College North Campus has also partnered with Miami-Dade County Public Schools to serve as the host for the Regional Science and Engineering Fair. This science fair is one of the largest in the country, and our county's best middle and high school students will then go on to compete on the national stage. Our extensive instrumentation allow our faculty to engage their students in cutting-edge research, which is rarely if ever addressed at community college level. In addition, the faculty may conduct research in the area of environmental sciences, where they are investigating polymers for removing heavy metals from contaminated water, while others are working on the establishment of the fossil record with preserved teeth enamel. All in all, we are quite proud of what educational opportunities we can offer our students with the new science complex.